everybody? Welcome back to another video with MTV Bullies. Today, what we're gonna do is basically just give dogs a bath. So what we did already, it's in the morning. Come in here, let the dogs out. We've already cleaned the kennels, as you can see. Everything's clean, dried up a little bit, you know. So what I'm gonna do now, before I give these dogs a bath, I'm gonna go ahead and fill these bowls up, and then I'm gonna put them in individually because they get crazy when they're all together. So I'm gonna just pull them out one by one, take them a bath, show you what we give them a bath with, stuff like that. So let me get all these bowls and stuff filled up, and I'll see you in next season. Rufus gets a cup and a half. Violet, our pocket bully, where'd she go? She's somewhere. Look at Bel Air. Violet, oh, there she goes. So Violet, the big girl, she gets 2 cups. Oh, she's already ready, man. She wants to go in there right now. Hey, baby. All right, then we're moving down. We got Bel Air's cage. Bel Air gets 1.5. He's a micro bully. So 1.5. Wow. Look, Gigi always trying to get some food too, little fatty. Gigi, say what's up, man. Say what's up, Gigi. Alright. Last cage down to the right, Gigi's cage. She gets a cup and a half. Boom. Boom. And then this big boy, Cool J, Sicario's only pocket son. I keep telling y'all. Cool J, sit. Good boy. He gets 2 as well. So pocket bullies get 2. Rufus gets 1.5, the Frenchie that's available. So if anybody wants a Frenchie male, Roof on Merle, full AKC. But I gotta give him a bath, little dirty butt. But full AKC, looking for a new couch. Alright, so we got Cool J's 2. We got everybody filled up, look, everybody hungry. They're just ready. They're just ready, man. So let me go ahead. I got some fish oils that I put in there, like the salmon oil that I put in their food. I got some vitamins for Gigi and some vitamins for Violet. So let me go ahead and put those in. All right, so I give them this salmon formula to help with their skin, help with their coat, get shiny. I give them about 5 pumps to everybody. Got some special vitamins for Violet and Gigi, but I ain't gonna let y'all know what those are. It's a little secret. Violet, Gigi. Cool J's already ready, but he has to wait for her bath. Violet's ready, but she gotta wait for her bath. We're gonna get Rufus in his cage. Come on, Rufus. Go in. Come on. Good boy. He's ready, but he needs a bath. Gigi. Come on, baby. What's that? And Gigi's ready, but she needs a bath also. So, let's go ahead and get this bath started. I'm gonna show y'all what I bathe the dogs with. I'm gonna show you how I give them a bath, and yeah, let's get to it. Got our little tote here. What's up, Bel Air? Bel Air's gonna be the first one to get a bath. But we got a 45-gallon tote with the wheels. We got this from Home Depot, so it was like, I want to say like 20, 30 bucks. But all I did was I drilled some holes. If y'all can see them, I drilled some holes all along the bottom. So this is like my makeshift doggy bath. They can't jump, get out, nothing like that. So I'm gonna see if I can set my camera up so I can show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. All right, y'all, so again, this is my little makeshift tub right here. I put holes inside the bottom, so that way when I put the pump in here, where's Bel Air? Bel Air, come here. We got our first contender, Bel Air. So this boy's gonna get his bath first, little stinky butt. So again, we're gonna put him inside. Oh, come on, that boy. When we put him inside, boom, he can't jump out. That's how you do that. You make your own, you know, doggy little bath thing. Cause I know little doggy baths are expensive. So let's go ahead and get him all showered up. I'm gonna show you exactly what we use. We get it from Tractor Supply. It's usually used for like horses and stuff like that. But I feel like they have the same hair texture. MTG. Well, this is medicated shampoo with tea tree and lemongrass. Excuse me, tea tree and lemongrass oil. So this is gonna help with like repel, like I want to say repel bugs, but it'll help with like a lot of bugs sticking to them. Gives them a nice fresh coat. If they have like any, I want to say if your bully or pit bull or English bulldog or French bulldog has any skin issues, to where like they're losing hair, they're like really itchy, stuff like that. This is the stuff to use right there, man. This is the stuff to use. So he's getting impatient. So let's go ahead and give this little boy a bath, all right? Let me see if I can set my camera up so y'all can see what we're doing. All right, so I'm gonna give y'all the up top view because it's the only way I can set up the camera. So I'm gonna give y'all the up top view. Hopefully it's recording the right way. So we got the water hose, got Bel Air in here. Got that boy all washed up. He loves his cold water too. Got him all washed up. You wanna shake? You wanna shake, fat boy? Shake. Shake. See the water coming out, guys? Shake, fat boy. Come on. Shake. Shake. I don't want to pick you up soaking wet, man. Come on, fat boy. What's the matter? Come on, shake. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Come on. Shake, fat boy. Alright, well, he don't want to shake, so let's go ahead and put him back in his kennel so that way he can pick his fat boy up. All nice and clean. All nice and clean. Come on. Come on, fat boy. Go ahead. Good boy. Food and on to, let's go with Cool J. We're gonna go Cool J next. All right, so we got Cool J next. Come on, fat boy. Go. So Cool J is new to the camp still, so he still gotta get used to it. Come on. Come on. All right, so we're gonna try this again. Cool J ran off, so try this again. So we're gonna rinse them off. Alright, it's so pretty. Start at the middle of the head, all the way to the tail, back and forth. Wow. Lather him up. Wet. Shoulders. He's a big boy now. This boy is dirty. This boy is dirty. See, like, and what I want to do, like I said, for this camp, man, I want to be able to just let them have some indoor, outdoor lockouts, you know? So there's some days where I'm at work that for a long day, you know, they can still be able to go outside. They can go through their little pet door, you know what I'm saying? Go outside, use the bathroom if they need to, sunbathe, you know what I'm saying? That's my goal. Because on long days, they usually have to stand here, I don't know, I'd say 5 to 6 hours if it's like a really bad day at work. But usually they're in here. They're not in here like, they're in here because they live in here. It's their doghouse, yeah. But they get taken out, I want to say 3 times a day, at least for an hour, hour and a half. So they get their playtime with everybody. That's why when I let them out, they're so dang hyper, as y'all can see. But, you know, I still, if there's days where I can't get to them because I have really busy days at work, I still like, you know, my girl at home, my wifey, you know, she could come just let their doors up and they could go outside if they need to. That's my goal. So right now I have the inside lockout. My goal is to have the outside lockout for them. Let's go ahead and rinse this boy down. See if I can get my crease right there. Shake, 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 man. Shake, man. You want to shake? Come on. You can shake now. There we go. Let's put him back in his cage. Let's see if he can jump out. Come on. Come on. Nope. Come on. Come on, Becker. Alright, so y'all remember Violet from the first video, my first baby at the camp. A little solid girl. Alright, think I get it. Now I know for a fact she's dirty as hell because this one likes to roll in dirt all the damn time. She Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Violet. Come on. Now this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Exactly. You can't get out. Ha ha. Now, who we pulling out is the girl of all girls. Gigi! Let me go get her. As y'all know, Gigi is the baby. Look how small this little girl is. Put her in here, you can't even see her. See that? But I know for a fact she is dirty as hell. Little girl. This little girl, man, is dirty. Who won it? Alright. Let's get some soap on her. Let me let her a little bit more. You can't get out. You can't get out. Ha ha. Remember, Gigi's only 1 year old, man. Look how tiny she is. 1 year old. She can't jump out at all. She wants to, but she can't. Tiny, look. You can't even see it. Use some water. No? Let's get the bathing her. She's really quick because she's, like I said, she's freaking tiny, so she's really easy, really fast to take a bath. Split splash, I was taking a bath. Now this is my foundation female. This is the one that's gonna take my yard for the program to the next level. This girl is tiny as hell. I say tiny, I say tiny. Like I said, this shampoo, it does help with like skin infections, or if they have like a skin rash or something like that. But the shampoo works wonders. For real, it works wonders. Gigi was going through a skin issue, I want to say, around when she was like 7 months. Where I use this shampoo, use this little stuff they call MTG from Tractor Supply. It cleared up within a week. Look at this tiny little girl, man. My baby. It's my baby right here. Wanna shake? You wanna shake? My baby, man. I don't know what that's supposed to be being in the dirt. Y'all can see this girl. Y'all see this girl, man. Woo, woo, woo. Tiny. Come on, baby. So we got one more little rascal, and that is the Frenchie male that is available. So if y'all are looking for a blue fawn Frenchie male, we are located in Florida. Excuse me, and this boy is available. Full AKC paperwork. He has not been DNA tested for color because we are on like a different look for Frenchies. So we're trying to just find a good home for him. If anybody wants to use it for his camp, or if anybody's looking for a pet, definitely DM me at MTV Bullies. It's MTV BULLIES on Instagram. And y'all will get a fast response. But let me go get that boy so y'all can see him, get his bath and everything like that. Alright. So this is Rufus, the Blue Fawn Merle Frenchie. You can see the Merle. And his ears too. It's the boy that's available, and it's time for his bath. Now he's a little skittish. As y'all can see, look. This boy's a little skittish. He's been like this since we got him. He's a little skittish until you stay still. If you stay still, then he'll jump all over you. But he's very playful, very hyper, very energetic. Just a little shy. He's a baby. He's just a baby. What's that like? He's just a baby. He's just a baby. Dude, chill out. Come on, relax. You're okay. You're okay. You're alright. You're alright. You're alright. Come on. You're okay. Come on. Come on. You gotta chill out. Come on. You gotta chill, bro. If you don't chill, you're not gonna get rinsed off. You're alright. Got you. You're okay. Good, bro. Good, good, okay? Good. I'm just rinsing you off, okay? You're okay. You're alright. Alright? You're okay. No, don't jump up. Don't jump up. Come on. Come on. If you don't chill, you're gonna freak out. You gotta chill. Look, you're gonna slide everywhere, bro. This is soapy here. Chill. It's soapy. It's soapy in here. Chill out. Alright, so obviously I gotta hurry up with this guy. Because he is freaking out. Relax. Come on, get down. Get down. It's okay. Go, let go. You're alright. Chill. Alright, now clean the other side. There you go. See? Look how easy this is. You just chill. You just chill and everything will be okay. There, you're done. You're done. You gotta say you're done, boy. You're done. Shake off. Shake off. Shake off. You got no more soap. Come on. Shake off. You want me to grab you? Come on. Alright, so again, this little boy. Chill. You don't let me drop you. This little boy's available. This boy's name is Rufus. He's a blue farm merle. Make sure y'all hit me up if y'all are looking for a Frenchie. Alright, everybody. That was basically washing the dogs with y'all. So what I'm gonna do is give everybody water, let them dry out. Give them about maybe like an hour and a half, maybe a couple hours to finish their food, so that way I can come out, let them out again, and so they can use the bathroom and everything, you know. So that was, oh yeah. That was washing the dogs with me. So as y'all can see, I use, again, the Medicare medicated shampoo, Shapley's. That's the brand, is Shapley's. You can get it at Tractor Supply. I believe it's like $7 or $8. But that's lasted me a little bit. I bought that a couple months ago. And the dogs are doing fine with it. They don't have no issues with it. It's really a good shampoo for them. So yeah, I'm gonna get these bowls filled up. Until next time, I'm gonna see y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in to MTV Bullies channel. Hopefully next time we'll have something more expected for y'all. Gigi is swelling right now. She is swelling, so it's a sign she could be going in the heat. So if she's going in the heat, we will be doing our progesterone test and all that on here for y'all, so y'all can see. So again, thank y'all for tuning in. If y'all tuned in, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you again. Thank you.
Sob, drop the beat.
Yeah, okay.